guys, and today we'll learn a new quite interesting exercise. So this exercise has a few steps and also it can help you to improve some of your skills. So yeah, let's get started. So at first, basic stance. Just bend your knees a little bit, keep your spine straight, relax your shoulders, relax your muscles. Just lift a little bit top of your head. Yeah, you can focus your mind inside. And just try to feel balance and harmony inside. And at the same time, open your body, open your heart, open your mind, and build and create connection with nature. Just feel balance and harmony inside of your body, heart, and mind, and at the same time be in balance and harmony with nature around you, and also be united with heaven and earth. Just try to really be part of the nature. Just keep standing for a while and keep this state, the correct mind state. Great, guys, and now let's get started. First part of this exercise. So just raise your palms and move your palms down. Yes. Raise your palms and again down. So guys, and again, yeah, move your weight on your one leg and raise your palms. So, and just guys, look at me. So look at my palms. So in this case, your right palm has to be next to your left elbow. So it shouldn't be like this. So your palms are not supposed to be too close or like that. So it just has to be kind of natural, and at the same time you shouldn't raise your shoulders, not this one, it's a huge mistake. So, and also you shouldn't raise your palms too high like that or too low like this. So just raise your palms on this level, it's your shoulders level, and then so look guys again, like one, and when you're raising your palms, you have to relax your wrists, and it has to be just relax, and when you relax your wrists, your palm just, you have to drop down your palms, and then it's the first part. And now second part of this movement, you see, yeah, look at my palms. So you have to do this soft movement, like one and then two, and move your weight on your other leg, and again raise your palms. So you keep your palms, your fingers down, and then soft movement and move your weight. And again, so you inhale and exhale. Inhale, move your weight on your one leg, and exhale. So inhale, raise your palms, and exhale. Yeah, you have to be relaxed, and also your movements have to be very soft and smooth. And also about your internal work. So when you move your palms down, you have to try to feel energy of nature with your palms, just like this. Yeah. Inhale, and right now mostly focus your mind on feelings under your palms. It's like you scan something with your palms, like you're trying to feel air pressure around you. So actually we know there is air pressure, but it's very, very, it's a tiny pressure, and it's hard to feel for us with our usual feelings, but actually it's possible. So just move your palms down and try to feel energy of nature. And again, inhale and exhale. So you have to synchronize your movements, your breathing, and keep proper mind work. So you just feel energy of nature with your palms, and at the same time remember about your connection with nature. Connection with nature, heaven and earth. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So you move your weight, and also you can turn your body, slightly turn your body. Just be natural. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Yeah, great guys. So this part, it helps you to improve your palms sensitivity. Yeah, it's a very useful skill. So, and now next step, next part of this exercise. So you exhale, move your palms down, and now just create a ball. So in this case, it has to be right palm on top. If you keep your ball from left side, so it has to be right palm on top. So, and now you turn, just move your ball to your other side, and now just turn your ball. You switch your palm and just turn your body and move your ball to your other side, to the left, and again turn and move your ball, and again change your palms. And also guys, look at this position. So in this case you have to keep your elbow a little bit down, so it's not supposed to be like this. That's actually a mistake. Why? Because if you raise in your elbow, it's kind of you cannot, in this way you cannot relax your arm and your shoulder enough like it has to be. So that's why just relax your elbow, relax your shoulder, and then you'll see that for this purpose you have to move your elbow down, and in this way you can relax your shoulder and arm in general much better. Yeah, and now, and also keep your palm like in front of your chest, so it shouldn't be too high or too small, so it's just like in front of your chest. And this palm, it has to be like in front of your lower dantian, so it's kind of like middle dantian and lower dantian, these levels. And now turn, and also when you turn your body, when you move in your ball, just move your weight. Also move your weight on your one leg, then turn your ball, and again move your ball, turn your body, and move your weight on your other leg. And again, 1, 2, and 1. Inhale, and now guys, exhale. Inhale and exhale. And also guys, one more small moment. When you turn in your ball, you have to turn your ball just like this, like your palms slide around your ball. So not just like something this way or like this way, so just like this, you see, It's like a really circle, like a ball. And exhale. And also you have to always feel connection between your palms, just like this. So always feel connection between your palms, and because of this connection you can feel this ball much easier and faster. Inhale and exhale. Move your weight, turn your body and your ball. Yes. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So always feel connection between your palms and your ball. So yeah, great guys. So this part of this exercise, again, it helps you to improve sensitivity of your palms, of course, and also to feel, to create energy ball between your palms and feel this energy. So, and now next step, so just turn your body, move your ball to that side, and then at the same time turn your foot. Yes, on 45 degree. You can turn your foot a little bit more, but not less, guys. That's important. And now, yeah, turn your foot, and now bring your feet. Yeah, keep your ball. Then, so you bring your feet, and now you step forward. So it has to be step on your heel, and then just place your foot, and at the same time keep your weight on your back leg. And now, yeah, turn your ball. And now, guys, move your ball out a little bit, and then move your weight on your forward leg and move your ball in front of you. Then turn your ball, and now move your weight on your back leg. So move your ball back and inside. And again, turn one, outside, forward. Yes, switch your palm and back. So yeah, guys, and again, one. So, and again, remember about your elbows. So, because it's a mistake, it's not. So again, move your ball outside, move your palms forward, move your ball forward, and again, in this position, it shouldn't be, again, your palm has to be on your chest, neck level, and this palm, again, in front of your stomach level. And turn and back. And now, guys, so you change your palms, and now move your ball forward, and you have to use this ball for collecting energy of nature. Just move your ball and collect energy of nature with your ball, turn it, and just move your ball back. And again, change your palms, move your ball forward and collect energy of nature, and move your weight back. Yeah, do it a few more times. 1, 2, 3. So you guys, you have to synchronize your movements and your mind work. Yeah, collect energy of nature with your ball and back. So in this part of exercise, yeah, you are collecting energy of nature with your ball, and you are making your ball stronger, so it will have more power. Yeah, great guys. And now next part of this exercise, So you turn your ball, yeah, and hold your ball in front of you, and now just move your weight on your forward leg and move your palms just like that, yeah, and back. Move your weight on your forward leg and move your palms in front of you. So just use energy, power of your ball and attract energy of nature and absorb it with your whole body. Just with your whole body absorb this energy of nature, and then, yeah, back to basic position. And again, yeah, inhale, attract energy of nature and absorb it with your whole body, and exhale. And again, yeah, inhale and exhale. Move your weight on your forward leg, and inhale. Move your weight on your back leg, and exhale. Yes. Inhale. Exhale. Yeah. Like attract energy of nature and absorb it with your whole body, and exhale back to basic position. And again, 1, 2, and one more time. Yes, 1, inhale and exhale. Yeah, great, guys. And now next part, so just keep your ball, hold your ball in front of you, move your weight on your back leg, so you raise your foot like this, and now bring your feet, now step, just step, and at the same time, with your step you have to turn your foot like 45 degree according to that direction, yeah, to that way. So yeah, just like step, turn your foot, move your weight on your leg, and hold the ball. So if you are moving your weight on your right leg, it means right palm has to be on top. Hold the ball, bring your feet. Now, yeah, step forward. Yeah, and here we are. So we have the same position just for another side. So, and now, yeah, we are holding a ball, and now you just turn your ball, and now all the same, just this side. So at first, move your ball outside, and then move your weight on your forward leg. Yes, turn your ball and back, and again turn, and you collect energy of nature with your ball. Yes, turn your ball and return it to basic position. And again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2. Yeah, keep your elbows down and relaxed. Yeah, not too much down, yeah, but just relaxed. Yeah, forward, turn, and back. So yeah, and again. So you collect energy of nature with your ball, but also, guys, at the same time, be in balance and harmony with nature in general. So like be united with nature, with your whole body, and keep your connection to heaven and earth. And one more time. 1, 2, 3. And now your next one. So next step. So move your ball in front of you. Now you turn your palms, hold the ball in front of your body, and now you inhale and attract energy of nature with power of your ball, and exhale. Yeah, and again, inhale, and absorb this energy of nature with the whole body, and exhale. Yeah. Inhale, attract energy of nature and absorb it with the whole body, and exhale. Yes. Inhale. Yes, and exhale. Yeah, and again, you move your weight on your back leg, attract energy of nature and absorb it. And now move your weight on your forward leg. Yeah, and again, back leg. Inhale and forward leg. Exhale. Yes, attract energy of nature. Absorb it with your whole body. And exhale. Basic position. Yeah, and one more time. 1. Inhale and exhale. Yeah, great, guys. So next part. So hold the ball in front of you. Now move your weight on your back leg, and again raise your forward foot like that. Now bring your feet. Yes, and now just step. And now you keep your feet straight. And now hold the ball. And now just make this ball bigger. Just bigger and bigger. And right now it's like you're standing in the center of your ball, and then make it smaller, just to regular size. Yeah, and again, bigger and smaller. Yeah, bigger and smaller. Yeah, great, guys. And now, yeah, direct this energy of this ball into your dantian, lower dantian, and place your palms on your dantian. So it has to be right palm on top for man and left palm on top for women. So you just focus your mind inside of your dantian. Yeah, and feel balance and harmony inside of your body, and be in balance and harmony with nature. Yeah, great, guys. And then just move your palms down. Okay, guys, so yeah, as you can see, this exercise has a few steps, and probably it takes some time to memorize it. Yeah, and of course at first you have to keep your mind and pay your attention to correct movements. Yeah, and also you have to synchronize, of course, your movements with your breathing. And then when your movements mostly will be like automatically, then you can mostly focus your mind on your internal work, on your connection with nature, or that inner work which has each part of this exercise. So just be patient, and then you'll get the results of this exercise. So and also, guys, about energy of nature. So at first, of course, you have to it will be great if you can feel energy of nature, but also at the same time try to understand what you feel. So just try to understand, try to comprehend the sense energy of nature, especially when you collect an energy of nature with your ball, when you absorb energy of nature, when you attract and absorb it. So just try to understand what you are working with. Yeah, that will be a really great part of your internal work and your mind work. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much and see you around.